Time check, it's 7:10. Pero wala pang araw. Punta kami ngayon sa Melaka.
Okay mo tayo Melaka?
Ha?
Punta na nag-polo ako.
Yun nga eh. Apollo nga rin ako. Ito, naka-stripes. Boss, Melaka tayo boss ah.
Yung stripes mo pang hindi pang Melaka.
Ito naka-Melaka boss. Ay, naka-stripes. Ah, pang araw, wala 7 na, grabe. Okay, bye-bye vlog. Dito lang kami ulit magkaganito. Kasi sa Singapore, naka-card na lang. Oh, ha? Tap-tap, ali tap-tap.
May palaman yan?
Wait lang kasi, hintayin mo lang. Select destination daw, oh. Ayun, oh.
Lipat-lipat.
Bukit Bintang. Ah. What?
Meron pang 77,000 si Papa.
Oo, maraming pera yun.
Bakit? Paano ba 8,000 lang to?
Oo, siyempre.
Pa meron ka pang 77,000 rupees. Ringgit pa. Yaman na.
Oh.
Iba ata yung gitling nila dito.
Oh, kita nyo naman guys. Oh. May ano rin dito. Ayaw niya ma. Huwag niya bibigyan.
Ayaw niya.
Hindi siya nangihingi eh. Wait daw sabi.
Ito tawag grasa.
Hihitan. Jaya Times Square. Oh, naka-Starbucks. Kami 7-Eleven lang.
Dito lang ako siya kumain.
Boss, ano bang masasabi mo, boss?
Boss, medyo taghirap tayo.
Rico, Rico. Ayoko na. Starbucks reserve pa pala to.
So guys,
Stop over kami, papuntang Melaka. Bili daw ice coffee. Kape ng kape, pag natatae.
ha? Dito. Coffee bot?
Ako dyan, sa ano na lang eh. Ubusin daw ah, bawal ah.
Tapos yan, boy.
Sakay mo na sa spaceship. Okay, banat.
Ito na ice caramel natin.
Ba't ice caramel? Matatay ka dyan.
Ice latte na lang.
Oh, ano daw yan? Ano daw yung ano, sugar level? Oh, okay na yan, huwag mo na galawin.
Coffee, 80%.
Bayad! Bayad! No, no, no. Okay. Tandararam. Yan. Busin mo yan ha. Hot ba? Hot?
Cool.
Okay. Ano yan? Sige na.
Here, tomorrow I become old, I die. I want to have children. So they're starting to look for partners to get married. Looking for Chinese, cannot find. Very few.
Stopover, St. Peter's Church. Sa simbahan. Wala na yung guide namin. St. Peter's Church.
So what you guys call mercy flow from the cross of Jesus. This one. Okay. So when Jesus was on the cross, he was nailed by the Romans. Okay. So while on the cross, he said this word.
Hey, Father, forgive them because they don't know what they do.
This guy, the red guy. So what's that?
St. Gabriel.
Saint Michael.
Ay,
The archangel.
sorry na lang. Ha?
So there are a lot of. There's a small angel and big angel.
Lang. Yan na.
Isa pa nga.
Arrived in Malacca! Saan sila mama?
Oh,
Yun. Malacca!
So guys, this only showing you the foundation. The wall was 40 feet high, wall with compound. Ano ba ito?
Walking in the streets of Malacca. Just exploring Malacca. Guide namin.
Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Belacan.
Exploring the river Wonderland. Ito, tumig yung picture ako, ginagaya niya ako.
This is a replica. So what happened, Mr. British, 200 years ago only bought.
Fake
It is
wall.
40 feet high supposed to be. Because the eyewitness, Mr. Munshi Abdullah, saw this instruction. Okay? So at the time of Dutch and the Portuguese, okay, they know the Sultan of Malacca.
Itlog lang daw pinagdikit.
With children, and be careful, there's arrows.
Wala, may crocodile eh. Basta natakot ako dun eh. Nga! Oh, donut.
Ay, sumagot na sila kanina.
Ta-ta-ra-ta-ta-ra.
Hoy, basahin.
River cruise. Okay, it is not in the itinerary, but then because of the prayer, they will close at 12 and open back at 2:30. Okay?
Noah's Ark.
But if you really want to go to the river cruise, 2:30, you'll be there. And ask the
Noah's
time
Ark.
when the cruise will be.
Noah's Ark.
Because normally they'll ask
Ja.
you for 15.
Noah's Ark.
You ask the time before you buy after. They say you go move it now. Okay now. You go up down.
Museum.
Come back there. Walk 10 minutes back.
on the day of Easter. You see, it's the church of Our Lady Annunciation here, okay, St. Paul. This is the entrance to go to the church originally. So at the time of Easter, people are not going to climb like a normal. They will be on their knee.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not easy. Okay, imagine you try to do 2 steps, then finish it. But they have to climb up. Okay, it's not easy. Okay, alright. Okay, guys, come follow me. Yeah.
On your knees. On your knees. Beg. Ay. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Original stone. Limestone ba? Try mo nga, te.
Ba't talaga ginagawa mo?
Try mo lang. Ano yun? Panata nila yun. Ah.
Taiwanese.
Hello, Erin. Ah, ganap.
Yeah, but I live in Australia.
My son's best friend lives
So, St. Francis Xavier lost his right wrist. The one he used for healing. Ayan. Wala daw yung kanang kamay niya. Anong masasabi mo? Ba't nawala yung right wrist?
Nawala.
Ha?
Nawala.
Wala. The freak mo. Here, Malak. A lot of tombstones here. I think this is not a church. Many tombstones. What's that? Pamagulog. Wishing well? Na... Ayoko. Cool. Sabi mo?
Para sa kaki.
Yes. Hirapan kaya ito dyan. Ha? Hindi na hirapan.
Puno, grabe talaga mga photographer ngayon, no? Pangit yung subject. Tinan mo, nag-akit pa sila ng kotse dito. Nasaan na yung kotse na ganito? Ano daw yan?
Yan
yung ano, Formosa. Original. Original part ng wall.
At 6:01, you're walking there. At the time of Dutch or
What?
Portuguese, okay, they will call you. Hey, who are you? You must answer the call. Answer the call like password. You forget your computer password. What the computer says? Forget password. Here you don't forget password. You forget yourself. Because that's the burn it down. when he burned it down, the historian of Portugal, he wrote like this: the palace burned down like a candle, because the facade, the outside part, especially where the roof comes down, all those were laid in teak.
Nice photo here, bro.
Hindi ko alam kung gusto mo.
Dito kami sa beach, bro. Saan na yun? Ito. Beach. Yun o. Beach. Init niyan, guys. Kainan time. Kainan na. Chinese halo-halo.
Malaysia kasi.
Hindi, galing Guangzhou daw ito eh. Ano?
Hindi na yung naka-stripes.
Ha? Pabida yung nakastress, ibubuhat pa ng ano.
Pabida yung naka-stripes.
Parang tira nagpapakit dun sa ano.
Parang...
Kay edad na daw eh.
Sakay ulo ko, sakay ulo ko.
Kay edad niya eh, nagpapakyut.
Sakay ulo ko.
Dito na kami sa Junker Walk.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in your map, remember the
Bag na lang ako.
hotel. Okay, that's the plan.
Inside Junker Walk, puro paa. Puro paa na lang dito.
Wala na ba no?
Puro paa.
Ay, kuya, gusto nag-ieno. Oo.
Uy! Tikan na. Puti pa naman suot ko. Oldest temple in Malaysia.
बोला क्या कैमरा लेती रहती है मस्त है ना
Black color there. That is given by the UNESCO.
Junker Walk. Ay hindi, ano nito?
Still like ever see.
Ano na, selfie na tayo.
Be afraid. And
So yan, tinitignan na yung lizard na malaki.
Anong tawag nila?
bayawak din
Oo. Saan na isa? Nakita isa?
Hindi ko makita.
Dangerous.
Where is it? Yun guys, oh.
Wow, 장화하시죠.
Kalaban ni Spider-Man. Ano?
May picture
may pinapatry sa amin. Maasim.
Just buy one order, you can play the game.
How many?
When you roll the dice,
Oh,
the number that you get, that's how many scores you get.
okay. So
You get
there's a
two,
game.
two scores. You get six, six scores.
Okay.
Mango, mango. Mango is really nice, yeah. That's all that.
Asim, ako.
Hindi maasim. Oh, lalaroin namin, niro-roll daw.
Yeah, six ah. Six, bro, six.
Six. Can you make another?
Umano sa pa ako. Umano sa pa ako, madaya yun eh.
Kawawa, kawawa.
Ito mo. Abala, abala.
Pwede mo mangga. Pay more.
Oh, lalaro kami niyan mamaya.
Kasi kailangan
Sa
kuha.
Tugali yung niya. Pati sa Tugali, one time. Yeah. Technique. Let me try some candy.
Okay, okay.
Oh, thank you so much. We're from the Philippines. Oh, thank you.
Pipikit ka daw, pipikit.
It's our second day today. Okay, please close your eyes.
Pasabihin niyo ako ah.
Ge.
Okay.
Wait lang.
Oy, dikit mo yung ano, dikit mo yung lalagyan, boy. Dikit mo yung lalagyan.
Dikit mo yung nilagyan ko.
Sige, kuha. Kunin mo. Yan.
Okay, can I put inside the bag? Yes, ma'am.
Wawa. 1 month supply. 1 month supply. 1 scoop only.
day supply?
Boss, sisihin mo yung ano ah.
Thank you.
1 month supply. Oh, 1 try.
Thank you.
Yo.
Bye-bye.
Ano ba yan?
Hindi nakuha.
Okay.
Hindi na nakuha.
3140.
Hindi nga kasabi kasi ni Kuya, sabihin niyo kung ipitin, nabubuksan niya ulit eh. Hindi kayo nagkasalta. Hindi niya tinatagalog.
What's that?
Breed. Inbreed.
Bread.
Korean.
Ano, tumigil na. Ano, sarap?
Chicken, salted egg, and curry.
Oo.
Boy, di kompleto ang natin ko lang tayo.
Walking around Jongko Street too.
Guys, you know what time it is? It's 3:20.
That time change brought to you by Emily Villiers. Oy, Zeus Coffee. Necessity, not a luxury. Ito, just ice cold na ano, soft drinks. Soft drinks. Oo. Ha? 10, ang mahal naman. Mama, ayun o, nasa likod o. Oh, kakaiba. Naman, puro noodles.
Ganda ng store nila. Ay, ayan. Josh, you like?
Sikat na character yan.
Sikat to. Ay, ano? 88.
Hindi na? Okay. Ano bibili mo? Spanish latte. Yung Spanish latte. Iced.
Buti pala ginamit natin yun, no? Buy one free. May app pa naman ako. Yun, no?
Kung bago lang yun.
Ako, bago nga. Antan. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Ganda dito, guys.
Kita.
Ooh. Ano, may private room pa sa taas.
Dito kami sa loob ng mall at may theme park. Ang galing niya, no? Laki. Ayun, no, indoor archery range.
Walang roller coaster? Roller coaster wala?
Ayun, no? Wala na sumasakay.
Parang ano siya, Fun Ranch.
Ito. Off ticket. Malalaglag ba sila dyan? Hindi naman, yung mahulog. Layo na, oh. Baka mabilis na yan. Ayan na. Saan na punta? Ha? Ayun na, yun na yung loop. Uy! Uy, gago, nagpunta sa ibang mall. Wala. Wala na. Ang mahaba. Hindi lang ito. Ha? Tapos na? Anak ka ng teteng. Ayun o, ayun sila o. Ayun o. Sige na. Tara. Yung sa amin nilang mesa.
Opo na kayo. Ano tayo?
Yeah!
Asin.
Nag-order. Dito kami sa tabing yan, no? Kalsada lang.
Ay, bilhin tayo seafood isang maliit. This one small.
Tomorrow, one dozen, huh?
One only.
One or two?
One only.
Okay, you order?
No.
8 a.m.开始
Beef Arabic shawarma.
12点。
12点几啊？是带你哦。
Thank you.
那我就是我，
Baka nyo nga. Oh.
所以我想要找你吗？但是我有什么项目？
那你12点你就
Ano yan? Ano bibili nyo? Noodles. Huwag na. Wala na yan. Ano tayo bibili?
may 60 ka, may 60 ka.
Do you do take out?
Yes, we do take out. What you need? Some meat or some veggie or some noodles?
Noodles. Noodles.
Yeah, here got some noodles.
This one?
And here got some fried rice and our signature roasted food noodle. You can try.
How much
This
is-
one masala.
How much is
Small,
it?
medium, large.
Magkano lang ito? Check mo nga magkano. 21.
What's more?
Yung card.
Yes, we
Card?
accept card.
Card mo na lang. Medium na lang. Oh. Can we get medium roasted
Okay,
pork?
yeah.
Take out. Yan.
Card, ah?
Yun, mangyaman ni Kuya. Ano yan? Dito lang sa Chinatown, guys. Oh, ha? Murder na dun shawarma. Sira ulo.
Sino ka?
Wala. Sinabi ko naman. Nagpa-refill pa yata. Nagpa-refill. Ito yung order namin. Wala pa yung beef eh. Tinatakal pa eh. Ayun o. Sarap. Grabe, ang daming laman. Kahit kinamay. Tapos doon, natiin niya doon. Tinawin niya. Doon. Uy. Oh, parang ilaw. Ano ba harangan ng ilaw? Solid. Thank you, thank you. It's alright. Let's go. nag-sorry naman siya eh.
Ha? Sorry.
Baka inuno niya yung iba.
Ha?
O kaya, kakaiba kasi yung in-order ko eh.
Wow.
Ibang meat.
Majestic.
Chinatown. Makain na sila. Dan dan dan.
Nakatagal nyo, grabe.
Ito na oh.
Kasi yung cellphone ko.
Sa akin.
Okay lang.
Shawarma, gulay, chicken clay pot.
Ito sobrang sarap.
Eat well.